In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in your emails. This is a handy skill, whether you're emailing colleagues, clients, or friends, as it helps to keep your emails tidy and makes it easy for recipients to click through to your desired content. Let's dive right in and walk you through each step of the process. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, locate the Compose button, which is usually on the upper left side. Clicking on this button will open a new email window, ready for you to start typing your message. Now, take a moment to notice that at the bottom of this new email window, there is a toolbar. This toolbar is packed with helpful tools, but today, we're going to focus on one particular icon. Look closely and you'll see a chain link icon. This is your key to inserting hyperlinks. The icon's design is quite intuitive, resembling two linked chains, so it's easy to spot. When you click on this icon, a small menu will appear. This menu might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful. You'll notice two fields in this menu. The first field is labeled Text to Display. Here, you can decide what text will actually appear in your email. For instance, if you want your hyperlink to read "click here" or "visit our website," this is where you'll input that text. Being deliberate about your display text can enhance clarity and entice your readers to click. Right below, you'll find the second field, marked as the web address, or simply URL. This is the place to paste the actual web link you want to direct your readers to. Make sure you have copied the correct link beforehand, as small mistakes in the URL can lead to broken links, and that can be frustrating for your recipients. It's always a good idea to double-check your link, just to ensure accuracy. Once you've filled in both fields, the text you want displayed and the URL, take a quick look to make sure everything looks right. If you're satisfied with your entries, notice the Apply button at the bottom of this pop-up menu. Clicking Apply completes the process by inserting your hyperlink into the body of your email. And there you have it. Now your email will feature a neat and clickable hyperlink, making it easy for your recipients to access the content you've linked to. Remember, this simple act not only tidies up your email, but also makes it more action-oriented and engaging. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this guide simple and effective every time you need to insert a hyperlink in your emails. Feel free to revisit these steps until you feel completely comfortable with the process.